sirens.
As you have seen in this video segment, severe storms can often develop explosively and change direction without warning. The greatest danger from severe storms is not always tornadoes. Storms can also produce deadly lightning, flash flooding, destructive winds, and large hail with little advanced warning. Chasing, videotaping, or any activity near storms is very dangerous. Storm-related activities should only be conducted by experienced individuals who have the proper training and legitimate purpose for their actions.